And in one of my talks at ministers nila, in some uneducated and maybe very stupid people there, if you work for them, especially if you are a slave bought from the slave markets of Africa, or you are paid to do the work, sexual abuse is part of the territory every day. Linisin pa niya yung bahay ng amo niya, pagkatapos linisin niya ang bahay ng daughter-in-law niya, linisin pa niya ang bahay ng bayaw niya. Kaya it's a uniform statement. How much sleep do you get? And it's 3 hours. True. Basura pa ang pagkain. You know the food. Ikaw, makakain ka ng... And they endure. Because they have to send money para mag-eskwela yung mga anak nila. And what happens? They enjoy rape, beatings, humiliation, human degradation, loss of dignity. Pagdating dito, ang mga anak nila nasa droga.